Like, are we
I
audible?
can hear you. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
I can.
Awesome.
Absolutely
Cool.
sorted.
Sorted.
Okay, so we have Josh with
Mm.
us. Let's
Mm.
announce the most awaited sale, which is only and only for all the Jashwant fans. So, Jashwant, today we are giving flat 30% off to all of your fans. आपके जितने भी आपका पूरा fandom है उसके लिए उनके लिए. So I'm just putting out the coupon right here.
Wow.
It's in your name only. The coupon
Really, that's
is
so sweet. Guys,
Josh.
go order something. Order from my side also.
So guys, flat 30% off and the coupon is Josh. It's on
Think
everything
that.
that is there on New Me. I have pinned the coupon.
Awesome.
So
एक और चीज मैंने सुना है कि आप ऑर्डर के साथ कुछ और भी दे रहे हो, कुछ खास, कुछ स्पेशल.
there's
What is
a
that?
there's a Valentine package that we are giving, and we are giving it to all of our customers, to your fans as well who us
Mm.
order with us today. I have a lot of brands, one of which is Super You. It's a new edition,
Okay.
and we have some stickers. We have a lot of brands: Be Safe, Moxie, Nat Habit. So all these things would be there in your package,
Nice.
and
Like a goodie bag.
yeah, it's a goodie bag. It's a self-care
Nice.
package for our
And how
customers. So
long is the
just
sale lasting?
till 14th Feb, everybody who
क्या
orders till
बात है.
14th Feb, उन्हें ये package definitely मिलेगा.
And this
So
Jash coupon code that you have, what about that?
we have flat 30% off with this coupon code on anything and everything on New Me today, only
Today.
for 1 hour.
Only for
Yes,
today.
only
Oh,
for
I thought it
one
was
hour.
14th Feb. Lucknow,
Yeah.
14th Feb के लिए. Why only now? I'll go live every day for my fans. No issues.
You should. I think आप कितने time से
है
live
ना,
नहीं हुए हो. That's why we
बहुत
had to
टाइम हो
call you
गया.
here.
बहुत टाइम हो गया. Just
So
busy
Jashwant,
with
you
work
have
and
to.
everything else.
I know, right? You're very busy. आपको यहाँ पे लाने के में बहुत बहुत मुश्किल हुई है. But Jashwant,
You can't reveal that to everybody.
you have to give us some tea related to Splitsvilla. Like,
Some key.
yeah, like what happens behind the scene, which nobody knows. Obviously, we cannot know because we are the viewers, but as a contestant, you would know. So give us some tea regarding Splitsvilla, that
You
your
do know.
journey.
I have signed an NDA with them, right? अभी आप सबके सामने बोलो कि बता दियो क्या है क्या नहीं है.
एक
But what I
छोटा
can
सा
tell you
scene
guys,
पे, yeah.
थोड़ा सा मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि वो स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है. तो वो बात तो कंफर्म्ड है. आपको लगता है कि हमको एक स्क्रिप्ट मिलता है, पढ़ के हम बोलते हैं डायलॉग वायलॉग, नहीं. सारे इमोशंस रियल होते हैं. एंड यस, लड़ाई तो होता है, बहुत ज्यादा लड़ाई होता है. बट वन थिंग आई टेल यू गाइस, ओके. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी कैमरास 24/7 ऑन नहीं है. They come in the morning, they come before the scroll, they come at the task, they come at night before sleeping, pre-task, post-task, they come down. But जब कैमरास ऑन नहीं है तो फिर सब लोग फिर फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं. तो जो
Oh,
दुश्मनी आप देखते हो ना कैमरा के सामने, वो शायद एग्जैजुरेटेड है.
just
It's
for the content.
it's not just for the content. How to explain? Like जब कैमरा के सामने सब लोग थोड़ा अलग होते हैं, थोड़ा सा अलग. और अगर आपको लड़ना है तो और ज्यादा लड़ते हैं, लेकिन दोस्ती भी होता है कैमरा के पीछे. And there are people who have done different things with other people behind the camera which you have not seen, or which connection which you thought, जो connection आपको लगा था कि okay, on screen there are connection, maybe behind the screen they were with somebody else.
Oh my God, that's like
Oh, now that's juicy, isn't it?
ये नहीं पता था हमें. So how, I think you've also done Big Boss, so reality shows is like your thing. So how, what next? Where are you going next? Like,
No, reality shows, if you think it's my thing, नहीं यार, मुझे तो नहीं था. It takes a lot from you. I mean, बहुत सारा प्यार भी मिलता है, and you know, lot of fame. But your 2-3 months goes. For example, reality shows में हमको कोई phone नहीं है, no music, no one to talk to
right,
except for the people next to you.
right.
So you, like, one time there was a war. I was in Roadies. There was a war going on and we had no clue. और सोनू सूद sir is telling us कि वहाँ पैसे में war हो रहा है, and you know he's helping some students out over there. So we were like, what the hell is going on? So that is that. But otherwise, what next? I would say कि into acting, घुस रहा हूँ acting के अंदर.
Yay.
कैसे?
We are excited to see. I think we saw a sneak peek of a song. Like we heard about you doing a song or something. We saw an interview. So let's wait for that. But meanwhile, we have a lot of people who are your fans and we have free dresses for them. So all they have
Yeah.
to do is answer the questions about you because they are your fans.
हाँ.
So let's ask the first question. Very very easy one. So when is Jashwant's birthday? Guys, जो सबसे पहले answer करेगा, we will pick the user ID.
Cute.
So
When's my birthday, guys?
I know the answer, so I'm
You
waiting for
have
the right.
researched the
I
answer.
had to. I'm sorry.
कोई बता दो birthday कब है?
Come on,
I'm
Jashwant
sure
fans.
now
Oh,
everyone's
I
like,
got it.
go to Facebook, go here. Just when is his
So
birthday?
I think we got it. It's underscore Simran underscore underscore 022 7th August. She was the first one. Team.
Really? Yeah.
Yes.
Why are my comments not being shown? I can't see anything.
I
Comments are not being shown in mine.
no
I all
worries.
I see is
I
you're very
can see.
handsome, Jashwant. That's the last comment I could see.
Okay, I think we got the first winner.
Okay,
Simran.
you choose the winners.
Yeah,
7th
Simran, you
August.
have to DM us and you have to place an order from today's sale to win a free dress. So, guys, you have to place an order today to win a free dress. Anyways, you won't get this offer. Numi pe flat 30% off nahi hota hai on the whole website. So go place your order. But Simran, you have cracked a free dress, whatever you want from
Whatever.
Numi, whatever you
Wow.
want. So we did give a lot of dresses last live session mein as well. They are having their dresses for their Valentines.
So cute.
So
So cute. What do I get from this? What is my gift? You
your
guys don't make
fans are
clothes
getting.
for me, no?
I am sorry about it, but आपके fans को तो we are giving back ना. That's the best
That's
thing.
my gift. That's good enough. So the next question.
Another question for the customers, for your fans. हम लोग ये second question trend tracker में live कर रहे हैं for 1 minute. So you have to join Numi's trend tracker on WhatsApp and Instagram. We are dropping it right now. It's dropped. It's already dropped. I will not reveal the question. You have to answer it there, and after 1 minute, we will
Ooh.
announce the winner. Meanwhile, we'll talk to Jashwant.
Yeah.
So Jashwant, you are obviously a guy who really loves fashion. So are you like somebody who's like the first one to hop onto the trend, or you're like a old school guy? I'll just wear what I like comfort is like priority for me.
See, comfort is not priority. मुझे जो मेरा मन कहता है मैं वो करता हूँ. For example, I feel like wearing something old fashioned, थोड़ा vintage, you know. So I'll just choose that. शायद trend में नहीं है या फिर trend में है, मुझे नहीं पता. लेकिन मुझे जो feel होता है, comfort is secondary. Comfort is secondary. मुझे जो feel होता है, what see, like if I go to a shop and I see something that catches my eye, मैं बहुत quick जल्दी shopping करता हूँ. तो whatever catches my eye, I'm like, okay, this is nice. I'll just take that and I'll go. So there's no comfort thing, but definitely I would say कि मैं trend शुरू करता हूँ. जो मेरा मन करता है मैं वो पहनता हूँ.
Nice. I think your all of your followers would know that you really love that one thing in your outfit that you wear always. Can you guys guess like what is that one thing that he will wear always? I think इतना तो मैंने भी जब जशवंत को stalk किया था, I could see that this is the one common thing. I'm not talking about the accessories, guys, but then that one clothing item that you guys can mention and we can pick the second winner. Come on.
Any guesses? Any guesses? I'm
Yes.
just like, you know.
He's making it so obvious, guys. अब तो तुम लोगों को
है
actually
ना?
इसको guess कर लेना चाहिए.
I'm sure they're all guessing chain or rings.
Yeah, the Balis, not the accessories, guys. The clothing item. It's so easy, guys. Come on, ये question waste हो जाएगा और ये free dress भी waste हो जाएगी. Somebody saying collars. Okay, somebody said shirt. Okay, it's a guy. So let's make a guy winner. I think आप अपनी girlfriend को एक इस Valentine पे dress gift कर सकते हैं. We have IG.
और अगर girlfriend नहीं है तो फिर propose
बना लो.
propose करो. ये लो एक dress. Give me my Valentine.
Nice.
With a rose.
So the winner name is IGAARSH. I don't know. Is it Ijersh? When you are the winner, you will get a free dress for your would-be girlfriend or your
current girlfriend. Guys, assumptions. It won't make you feel bad.
But then, do we have the winner for the trend tracker? Yes, it's Shruti_.I. We will DM you, Shruti.
Done. Congratulations, Shruti.
Yes, Jashwant, a very good activity. I think आपने Splitsvilla में भी की थी, so that's why I picked it because I really liked that reel, that specific reel. We want to know 2 truths, one lie
Oh,
from you, and people will guess it कि which one is the truth. And आप सिर्फ lie guess करना, like
हाँ,
say 1, 2 or 3, and then we will pick a winner. Like
yeah,
Jashwant will pick a winner
yeah.
for this
Two
one.
truths and one. I want to make it difficult for you guys. Yeah, you know,
You have
आपको
to.
लगता है कि बहुत आसान है ये वाला गेम, but actually बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि हमको बनाना है वो इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yeah,
चलो.
and I didn't inform Jashwant, just so you know,
हाँ,
guys.
हाँ,
So this is like on the spot.
yeah, yeah, cool. So statement, I'll just statement number 1, number 2, number 3 ऐसे बोलूंगा, ठीक है?
Yes.
So you guys can choose a number which is the line. Okay? Done? चलो. Statement number 1. Okay? Uh, बहुत डर्टी सब चीजें आ रही है दिमाग में, अब बस वो नहीं बताऊंगा. Statement number 1. Okay. I have failed in an exam. I've
Okay.
failed in an
Interesting.
exam. Okay?
I don't know the answer. Somebody's saying 2 already.
Oh, you think I failed in an exam already? What the hell? Okay. So number 1 is that. State number 2 is okay. No, 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 not that. State number 2 would be. Can I say it? No.
Let's go for
No.
it.
Okay. When you have to control, you know, your when you have to go to the washroom and you have to control,
Okay.
and you can't control it, so you might have you know, feel in the car or something like that.
Okay. That's the statement number 2. Okay.
Okay. Say number 3.
Hmm.
Say number 3 is well. Say number 3 would be uh, 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 okay. I've got caught by cops.
Okay. I think 3 is like evident है, ये तो truth ही है.
Oh,
And I think even the first one is a truth. Second one would be a lie. What do you think, guys? I think हम थोड़े से guesses लेते हैं. And अभी like right now who's guessing it? Now we'll pick the winner.
okay. Now guess. Guess
थोड़ा
start
सा
now. I'll tell
मुश्किल
you
है ये.
the answer in a bit. मुश्किल है ना?
हाँ.
मुश्किल है. Good.
Guys, I think first or third is the truth.
Okay, चलो.
We'll give them like 20 more seconds.
So what was the first one again?
You failed in an exam.
I failed in an exam.
The second one is थोड़ा सा iffy, and the third one is that you were caught by cops. ये तो बहुत ही normal है, ठीक है, मतलब it can be anything ना, like you're driving,
Yeah.
you're not wearing a helmet, something like that, right? हाँ.
I'm not saying I've been
Statement 2
arrested.
is a
I'm
lie.
saying I've been caught by cops. But okay.
Right.
So shall I
Come on,
reveal the
guys.
answer?
Yes, let's do it. Is it like second, right? Second, we are right. No? No? Then first.
हाँ.
Oh, you know, never failed.
No, I've not failed in an exam.
Nice, yeah.